Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, November 26, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 27 points to 2656.5 per contract. All in all, the markets are catching a bit on some optimism that President Trump and President Xi will meet this week or later this week at the G20. Everybody's expecting them to come to some sort of agreement regarding trade. We also have some news out of Italy that they are willing to move on their budget deficit. So that is also causing the European markets to get a bid. European bank stocks are higher. But let's get started with stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to make our money. Let's go over to Amazon first. Amazon catching a decent little bid today. Stock closed at 1502.06. Now it is trading at 1532 on the button. So nice little pop up here for Amazon. We'll see if it can hold up. Right now, we've seen these markets get these early morning bids and then they fade. So we'll see if this is a day where the market can actually gap up and hold on to these gains. Let's take a look at Chinese ADRs because they're on the move too. Take a look at BIDU first. That's catching a decent little bid. Closed at 182.61. That's trading at 185.61. Alibaba, the giant of them all. You'll take a look at that. You'll see that's trading at 153.13. Closed at 150.33. JD I did see with a nice little uptick as well. That closed at 19.27, now trading at 19.70. So all the Chinese ADRs that I'm looking at are pretty solid, at least so far. Let's take a look at WB. Weibo, that's trading at 58.50, closed at 56.93. So all the Chinese ADRs up slightly ahead of the opening bell here, and we'll see how that plays out. Want to take a look at Deutsche Bank because this has been a problem European bank stock. This is catching a bid today, closed at 9.25, now trading at $9.57. We also have Credit Suisse, I believe, catching a little bit of a bid as well. That trading is trading at 12.03, closed at 11.79. So we're seeing some of these bank stocks trading up. Let's take a look at Tableau. DATA is the ticker symbol here. Tableau is right now trading at $110.05. Was much higher on the back of an upgrade, but has already pulled back, so nothing much to do there. We'll keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at Nvidia. NVDA, looks like Ohio will start to accept Bitcoin for tax bills. So again, that's a first. Stock right now is trading at 148.64, closed at 145. So again, this is catching a decent little pop here, and we'll see how that plays out today. But again, we are looking at a much stronger tape ahead of the opening bell. We'll just have to wait and see if it can hold up really throughout the course of the trading day. Now, Mondays are usually a little bit on the lighter volume side. We are coming off of a holiday weekend here in the United States, so we'll see how today plays out. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold today trading up $2.60 to $1,225.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 115.98. So you got a little bit of an uptick, closed at 115.77. Next up, we have crude oil up 91 cents to $51.33 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO today, that's trading at $10.86. That's just up a few pennies from where it closed at 10.83. So all in all, markets for the most part are holding up pretty well this morning. We'll take it slow. We'll take it steady. We'll let the markets tell us a little bit more. But we have pretty much just about everything in the green today ahead of the opening bell. Again, we haven't seen many rallies that hold into the close. So it's going to be a real test to see if that does happen. But I wouldn't be shocked if it did at this stage of the game. We are going into the seasonality trends where markets do usually go higher into the holidays. So we'll see if that takes hold. We'll see if it takes place. But again, we'll be looking at this much closer going forward. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been a fantastic 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year and beyond that. So again, if you haven't done it, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading day.